I came to London because I was looking for opportunity. I had no idea what I was going to do in my life. The smoked salmon was the first thing that to me was appealing, was the first passion I ever had. At the time, I really needed to prove myself who I was and what do I want to do online. We're really the only company that differentiates the salmon between belly and tail. We're trying to educate people because normally the tail was a wastage product. It wasn't very commonly used on the smoked salmon business because it's thinner and a little bit more chewy. But at the same time, it's very rich in protein. And again, we're trying to create a sustainable brand. There is no wastage in any way.
There was no thinking or overthinking, we were just going for it. I believe we set some standards where we wanted to follow, driven from the ambition and driven from some probably awareness, where we wanted to go and what we wanted to bring out as a product. So the idea was to work for more a luxury market.
I would say probably 80% of our clients prefer the sashimi cut. It's our signature style.
Being Italian, we're so attached to the food. We are more attached on the simplicity of food, so the seasonality as well. It's a lot more common in Italy to eat products that are available just on season. Even our grandmas probably teach this.